Okay, so we talked about those dimensioning standards last time, and this course is all about a particular dimensioning standard. Now, there is a lot of them, and what we're going to be focusing on for us is this one, the dimensioning and tolerancing standard. There's also ones for casting, forging, and molded, for digital products, for additive manufacturing, and also for aerospace, my beloved aerospace, and advanced engineering drawings. So this is what we care about though, this is what's good for us. Now, geometric dimensioning tolerancing provides a means to completely control product variation, at least to specify how you want to control product variation. It's good for solid models, it's good for orthographic views. It's also sometimes called position tolerancing, though I don't see that as much. GD&T is a general term used for tolerances applied to part features. Okay, to part features. I control each feature individually and in connection to other features. Now, this standard has been a long time in coming. As you can see, it has been updated and updated and updated and updated, and updated all the way down to today. I'm not going to talk about every single change in all of these. We're just going to focus on this particular standard. Now, why do we have this new standard? Why do we keep on updating things? Well, we want to keep current with industry, okay? You know, they outlawed child labor, and so they couldn't make parts quite as small anymore. That's terrible, but it's probably what happened at some point. We built a more accurate measurement tool. We built a new machine that can build things more accurately. We can cut through metal now. We couldn't do that before. We learned how to make fire. You know, whatever it is, as industry develops, well, we have new methods of dimensioning tolerancing, and we have to update our standards. So we're going to add new and expand existing capabilities. Sometimes this is because we need to clarify things. We realize that people are using one of the symbols in a way that wasn't defined before. Like, for example, you know, just pick any jargon word today, like any word that's like, you know, like slang. Like, oh, that is so fire. You know, you're using a word in a way that it wasn't used 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Nobody would know what you were meaning if you said that 3 years ago. But now people do. And so we have to clarify what we mean. And also, as we develop these new techniques like CAD or SolidWorks, we have to make sure that we are allowing for that. We have an application on these solid models. And of course, remove obsolete methods. If people don't do that anymore, if it's just not even practical to do that anymore, then remove it. You don't need to have a standard that's completely bloated. So, current standard, basically what we're going to be looking at. Well, in most cases, figures show metric dimensions, and I'm grateful for that because I like them best. And when you have the choice, make sure you are using the most recent issue of each applicable standard when you have that option. Okay? Use the symbols that are current. Use the letter that's normal. Like for a while there used to be a circle S that could go in here, and that doesn't happen anymore. So don't use that one. Use what is current standard. Okay? Use the current standard. So, that'll be it for today. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.